In this encounter, a man visits a public area near a sheriff's office, recording everything he can see from public property patrol cars, unmarked vehicles, and the general surroundings. His goal is simple: to document public spaces, test transparency, and peacefully exercise his First Amendment rights. But, as usual, a camera in public seems to make some officers uncomfortable. What begins as quiet filming soon turns into a tense standoff over ID, suspicious behavior, and the right to simply record. Things take a turn when the officers demand identification. The man explains that he doesn't have his ID on him, and more importantly, that he's under no legal obligation to provide it unless he's suspected of a crime. The officers, however, insist they have a legal obligation to check his identity, claiming they need to make sure he isn't wanted or planning anything harmful.
What's up, brother? I'm alright, how you doing? I don't carry it with me. Don't carry it with me.
Why you don't carry your ID with you?
In case I'm illegally detained, y'all find out who I am.
Huh?
In case y'all illegally detain me and find out who I am.
Man, I just want to see your ID because, I mean, you on our property.
It's
You know, look, I mean, I know, but you looking in the windows of cars.
Yeah, because I can see them.
Yeah, I know you can see them, but I mean, you don't know if those are personal cars or not. Those might be personal cars.
Well, but even if they are personal, I can still look in them.
You can't be going looking in the window like that.
I can. It's public.
Yeah.
There's no.
So where your ID at?
I don't have it on me.
Where's your ID at?
I don't have it on me.
I know I'm asking where it was at.
Where I left it, I don't really get what you're asking me that for.
Huh?
There's no legal obligation if you're asking me where my ID is right now. And you know I'm correct. Like, I don't want to be a dick about it, but you know there's no legal obligation for it. So I just don't have it on me.
Well, we have a legal obligation that
You're
we can
really close to me, officer.
we can check your name, check your identity, make sure that you are who you say you are.
What's your name?
I'm Sheriff Mueller, sir.
And your name?
Make sure
I'm
that
Deputy Dunn.
you're not wanted.
I'm not wanted.
And-
Do you suspect me of being wanted?
Sir, right now we don't know who you are.
I've been just gonna stay that way until you have a legal obligation to find out who I am.
We got a legal obligation.
No, you don't. You just want. That's a personal obligation. You just want to know
That's
who I
not a
am.
personal
I haven't
obligation,
committed a
sir.
crime, so I don't have to tell you who I am.
Sir, you're out here going and looking in vehicles.
Which is a First Amendment protected activity. I can film in public. All this is public.
Yes, sir, you can.
Okay, so
You
then
can
if you
film
know
in
that,
public.
why are
You
we having
can.
this conversation, officer?
We have a lawful right to inquire. When people say there's a suspicious person walking through the parking lot filming, we have an obligation to at least come and check you out, sir. And that's simply what the officers are doing.
Tell my attorney stay tuned in, please.
You
So,
can film all day, sir. We're not
with that being
objecting
said,
to
officer,
your filming.
okay,
We're
so
not
with that being
objecting to
said,
your
with all
filming.
due respect, if you say I can film all day,
Yes, sir.
why is it everyone's standing out here asking me what I'm doing?
Because when someone comes in the office and says someone's going out there looking in the patrol cars, we don't know, sir, if someone's going to break into a patrol car.
I have no ill will
If
intent
someone's
out
going
here.
to steal a patrol car, it happens. And so we have a lawful obligation to come out and inquire and check and make sure that everything is okay. And if everything is okay, we go about our business, you get to go about yours, and everybody has a great day.
Well, that's what's about to happen. I have no ill will intent. I'm not telling y'all my name. I don't want to break in any car. I don't want to get in any car. I'm not touching a car. I'm just taking pictures and videos, which is a lawful activity. So what's the purpose? But it's not a felony nor misdemeanor, and you know that. But it's not. Is that a
right to investigate as law enforcement?
A-
We have every right to
investigate
do
a
that
crime.
and ID you. No, we don't.
If a crime has
Suspicious
been
activity.
With terroristic threats in our country today.
So now you're saying I'm a terrorist?
No, that's what I'm saying with terroristic threats.
No, I'm a tourist.
When we
I'm a
tell
tourist.
citizens,
I'm not listening anymore.
when we
Thank you.
tell citizens to contact something, you see something, say something. If you see people doing suspicious things, reach out to law enforcement. And so it's not normal for people to walk through and film. In this parking lot, it's not normal to walk around and film around a nuclear station or around any high secure area. This is a facility here. We don't know if you're filming something to plan or prepare a jailbreak for somebody.
But until
So
you
we
have
have a
proof that
lawful
that's what I'm
obligation.
doing, you have no right to
No,
talk
that's
to me,
not. That's
officer.
not true, sir.
That is true.
That's not true.
If I haven't broken a crime, you have
We
no
have a
legal
right
right
to
to come
check
ask me who I
and
am.
make sure that you are not plotting and planning something against this facility, which holds a court venue.
Okay.
And so we have this inside this building. There's courtrooms, sir,
Which are open to the public.
which are open to the public, but you're not allowed to take a camera into that area.
But I'm outside,
You can't
officer.
film.
So why'd you bring up the inside if I'm outside?
I'm telling you,
You're
that's
just
why-
reaching now,
no,
officer.
I'm
I've done
not
nothing
reaching.
wrong,
I'm not
and you
reaching.
know that. I've
I'm
done
not
nothing wrong,
reaching.
and everyone out here knows I've done nothing wrong.
We're
You're
not-
reaching for
We're
something.
not reaching for anything.
You are reaching, but it's not a crime.
You're suspicious.
But it's not a crime.
We
We
investigate
have
a lot
not
of
told
suspicious
you.
crimes.
Have you been told that you committed a crime?
Can I ask you a question? The only important question that I want to ask you:
Ask me.
am I being detained?
You're not being
Absolutely.
detained. Have a great day.
Talk to you later, brother.
Thank you.
You do need to carry your ID with you.
I don't. I know who I am. Thank you, though.
great day.
I'm going to. You enjoy yourself. Be safe out there, brother.
Be safe. Thank you.
In the end, no one was arrested, no crimes were found, and nothing unlawful occurred. Yet the footage captured something much more meaningful, a snapshot of how authority often reacts to simple acts of public accountability. The man stood firm, never raising his voice or crossing a line. He knew his rights, he exercised them calmly, and he let the camera tell the story. This encounter wasn't about defiance, it was about education. A reminder that in a free society, the right to record isn't suspicious, it's essential.